Why does failure hurt?
Great question. Failure feels scary because your brain thinks it is danger, not information. It triggers the same alarm system that fires when something threatens you. But failure is not a signal that you are not good enough. It is a signal that you are learning. Today we explore the mindset shift that turns failure into fuel.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Every mistake gives you data about what to adjust next time. Information replaces fear. When you treat failure like a teacher instead of a judge, you grow stronger instead of smaller. The wisdom is simple. Failure is feedback, not a final score.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the brain changes when you keep going after something goes wrong. That choice matters. Every time you try again, your prefrontal cortex grows stronger. This is the part that helps with planning and resilience. The amygdala reacts first with embarrassment or fear, but small brave steps quiet it down. This is how the brain learns courage. Through repetition, not perfection.
How does this show up in real life?
It happens when you study hard but still miss a question. When effort does not match results. It happens when you try out for a team and do not get picked. Or when friendships feel like they fall apart. It shows up in skills too. Coding bugs that break your project. Art that does not match your imagination. Real life is full of small failures. Each one can make you wiser if you look at what it teaches, instead of what it takes.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small comebacks add up over time. Progress hides in repetition. Imagine a rubber ball that bounces higher each time it hits the ground. It absorbs energy instead of losing it. Your brain works the same way. Each bounce back makes the next one easier. That is how tiny mindset shifts turn into lifelong resilience.
So, how do I start?
Here is your 3-step plan. Simple, gentle. Step 1 is thinking. Ask yourself, what did this failure teach me? Step 2 is feeling. Take one deep breath. Remind yourself mistakes are allowed. Step 3 is action. Change just one small thing, and try again. These steps protect your confidence and activate your brain's learning circuits.
What should we do today?
Our challenge today is to take something you recently gave up on, and try it once more. Even for just 2 minutes. Small effort still counts. Comment the word bounce if you accept the challenge. You are welcome to subscribe if this series helps you grow stronger and think clearer every day. Remember, failure is not a dead end. It is a doorway. Every small comeback rewires your brain to handle bigger challenges with peace instead of panic. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep moving. One small bounce can change your whole story.
See you in the next episode.